Have you ever tried to open an offline address book file, only to find it's corrupted or completely unreadable? Introducing SysTools OAB Recovery Tool, a powerful tool to repair damaged OAB files and restore Outlook address book contacts in multiple formats. Key features of the software: recover corrupted OAB files. Easily repair and restore damaged or inaccessible OAB files without losing any contact information. Preview OAB data. The software provides a detailed preview of recovered OAB contacts, including name, email ID, business and home addresses, etc. Selective contact restoration. Restore specific contacts from UDetails OAB or Exchange global address list files without extracting the entire dataset. Export to multiple formats. You can export recovered data to PST, CSV, and vCard formats for flexible use across different platforms and applications. To download the software, open Google and search for SysTools OAB Recovery. Click on the top search result that leads to the official SysTools website. On the website, click the Download and get the software. Once downloaded, install the software and launch it on your system. You'll be greeted with a clean, user-friendly interface, ready to start the recovery process. Click on the Add File button to begin the recovery process. A small window will appear. Click on three dots to browse the OAB file. Select the OAB file what you want to recover. Once you have selected the file, click the Open button. Now, click Add button to begin the scanning process. Once completed the scanning process, the selected folder will appear on the left panel of the software interface. When you click on the folder, all the associated files will be displayed on the right panel. Next, select the file you want to recover and click the Export Selected button. If you want to recover all file, then click Export button. This action will bring up the Export Options window. Then, click on the Folder List option to proceed. You will see multiple export options. Choose your desired export format by selecting the corresponding radio button. Now, browse to the location where you want to save the exported file. Click Browse button. Select the destination folder, and click OK. At last, click Export button. The export process will begin, and once completed, a confirmation message will appear indicating that your file has been exported successfully. Click OK. Export Report Status window will appear. You can see your export status: source file name, success count, and failed count. You can save export status report by clicking on Save button. You can directly access the exported file by clicking on the location and view your recovered OAB file. And that's it. You've now successfully recovered and exported your offline address book file. Log on to the given product page for more detail and purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.